A1, A2, AN are in arithmetic progression. They are also in geometric progression. They are also in harmonic progression when the variables are equal. Put A1 equivalent to, A2 equivalent to, and so on up to AN. So, n equivalent to 1, second and third, it is out. N equivalent to 1, 1, n equivalent to 1, 1, you will get 1 out of the remaining 2 answers. I hope the idea it is clear. There is also another, right, quartile mean. Quartile mean, it is also there. Quartile mean, it is also there. For cat, we will discuss. A1, A2, AN. If the variables are equal, then the numbers are said to be in arithmetic progression, geometric progression, and harmonic progression. Especially maxima and minima related problems. 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 There will be linear equation based maxima and minima. There will be quadratic equation based maxima and minima based on the discriminant. Here there will be maxima and minima based on functions and graphs. Functions and graph. This is the structure of maxima and minima. There will be maxima and minima based on progression based questions. Progression based questions, and there will be some numerical value comparison questions. There will be numerical value comparison questions, numerical based. This is how the structure of maxima and minima questions are there. This is how the maxima and minima questions are there. You can get maxima and minima questions from linear equations, from quadratic equations, from functions and graphs, from progressions, and from numerical based. These are the 5 areas where maxima and minima questions can be asked. Polynomial equation maxima and minima, it is at an advanced level. It is at an advanced level. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, because we wrote A1, A2 and so on up to AN are in arithmetic progression, geometric progression, 5 minutes will solve some very good problems based on maxima and minima to give you a glimpse how the question seems to be tough, but actually it is very, very easy. But before that, please write down a concept. AM greater than GM greater than harmonic mean. AM greater than GM greater than harmonic mean when the variables are unequal. When the variables are unequal. If the variables are unequal, AM greater than GM greater than HM. Now, these AM greater than GM greater than HM, comparing the means, arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean, it is valid only. It is valid only for positive real numbers. This concept holds good only for positive real numbers. There will be some questions where you will realize that this is not working for a positive real number. Some beautiful questions in a cat algebra batch we will discuss. AM greater than GM greater than HM. What is AM? AM is if A1, listen carefully for the next 10 minutes, sir. All are positive real numbers. All are positive real numbers. Arithmetic mean is sum of the quantities. Arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities greater than. Geometric mean is given by nth root of product of the quantities. Nth root of product of the quantities, and it is greater than. Harmonic mean is reciprocal of arithmetic mean. 1 by A1, 1 by A2, and so on up to 1 by AN. Please write down this point. Arithmetic mean greater than geometric mean, greater than harmonic mean. It is valid only for positive real numbers. If arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. If the series is in AP, if the series it is in AP, it is also given by first term plus last term by 2. It is also given by first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2. It is, if the series is in GP, if the series is in geometric progression, it is given by square root of first term into last term. Square root of first term into last term. Square root of first term into last term. We will discuss in detail. Just a glimpse I am giving you. Valid only for positive real numbers. AM greater than GM greater than HM. Arithmetic mean is sum of the quantities divided by number of the quantities. Geometric mean is nth root of product of the quantities. N by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by A1. AN. A student asked me a question. Which of the following is greater? Just a glimpse with practice questions, sir. Which of the following is greater? Which of the following is greater? First question. 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. Second question. This is one of the mock question. An SSC enrolled student has sent me this question. Sir, how to solve this kind of questions? 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 or 1. Which of the following is greater? Third question, it is a miscellaneous question which I discussed in the enrolled class. 31 power 11 or 17 power 14. 31 power 11 or 17 power 14. Listen carefully, sir. Which of the following is greater? 51 power 101 or 101 factorial? 1 by 1001. These are very, very good quality questions, sir. 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 or 1. C is 31 power 11 or 17 power 14. It is easy. 31 is less than 32. 32, it is 2 power 5 power 11, 2 power 55. 2 power 55 is less than 2 power 56. 2 power 4 power 14. 16 is less than 17. Third one is quite easy question. 31 power 11 is less than 17 power 14. 31 power 11 is less than 17 power 14. Idea behind this question is 31 and 17 both are closer to powers of 2. 31 is closer to 32. 17 is closer to 16. 31 power 11 is less than 32 power 11. 32, it is 2 power 5 power 11. 2 power 55 less than 2 power 56. 2 power 4 power 14. 16 is less than 17. 16 is less than 17. 31 power 11 less than 17 power 14. Do not worry. This is a very easy question. Generally, people use a logarithm to solve the question. It's a very easy question. 31 is less than 32. First question. It is a mock SSC question. They said, sir, our teacher has done 10 steps. Right? How can you optimize it? The first thing is 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. 51 power 101 or 101 factorial. 101 factorial. It is the product of all natural numbers from 1 to 101. From 1 to 101. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. Arithmetic mean is greater than geometric mean. What do you mean by arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean is given by first term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 101 by 2. Greater than geometric mean is nth root of product of all the quantities. 1 into 2 till 101. 102 by 2. It is 51. Power 101 factorial. Power 1 by 101. If it comes to the left hand side, 51 power 101 greater than 101 factorial. Answer over. Because of this identity, teacher has done what not he has done. 51 he 101 he wrote it as 51 plus 50 what not he has done. Half page he has done it. It is a single step solution. AM greater than GM. AM stands for arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, it is first term plus last term by 2. So the series is in AP. Why? Because the difference between the terms is constant. 1 plus 101 by 2 greater than 101th root of 1 into 2 till 101. So 51 greater than product of all the natural numbers from 1 to 101 is 101 factorial power 1 by 101. If it comes to the left hand side, 51 power 101 greater than 101 factorial. Very high quality questions only. We will discuss it in class. Most of the students, their notebook will be full. Once they keep solving all the problems, there will be quite ahead in terms of the problem solving skills. 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002, 1 by 1003, and so on up to 1 by 3001 R1. Another very, very good question. 1 by 1001 plus 1 by 1002. The source also I will tell you. Some student is solving it in SSC test series. 10-step solution it is there. The teacher said that the topper has solved this question in the range of 2 to 3 minutes. This is considered to be a toughest question. What toughest, sir? See the question. AM greater than HM. AM is first term plus last term by 2. Greater than. How many terms are there? 2001 terms are there. Divided by. What is HM? HM it is N by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. So these 2001 by 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001. These cancelled, so cross multiplication it will be 1 by 1001, 1 by 1002 and so on up to 1 by 3001 greater than 1. Very, very good question which can be solved very, very easily because using these identity. AM greater than HM. Arithmetic mean, whenever you want quantities which are in AP, arithmetic mean is given by sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. Harmonic mean is the reciprocal of arithmetic mean. N by 1 by A1 plus 1 by A2 and so on up to 1 by AN. I hope the idea it is clear. Very, very high quality question, solved it in a simplest way.